Hey guys, how's it going? How to convert any photo into a portrait on iPhone. So as you can see right here, this is like a demonstration of the photo. Basically, you're gonna see right here a portrait on your photo, and you're gonna be able to study light and maybe enhance some of the things on your photo, basically, right? So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, and if you want to set it on the portrait mode, you can just go ahead right here to the camera, and basically you're gonna set it to a portrait, and basically you're gonna be able to take an amazing picture of yourself, basically, right? But if you took a picture and you want to change it into a portrait, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just open up your photos right here, and what you're gonna do, let's say for example I'm gonna take this photo and I'm gonna just click edit, and as you can see right here, you will not be able to see the portrait option on your on your iPhone, or at least on my version of my iPhone. Okay, so unfortunately for now it is not available to me, but alternatively what you're gonna do, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to the camera, and as I said before, you can just go ahead and switch from photo mode into a portrait, and you're gonna be able to take a nice picture of yourself, and you're gonna be able to enhance it the way you actually prefer. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.